Today I'm going to discuss the solution of the question number 55. The question is the indicated power developed by an engine with compression ratio of 8 is calculated using an air standard Otto cycle constant properties. The rate of heat addition is 10 kilowatt. The ratio of specific heats at constant pressure and constant volume is 1.4, and this is gamma. The mechanical efficiency of the engine is 80%. We have to calculate the brake power output of the engine in kilowatt, and this is an air standard Otto cycle, and the compression ratio is given as 8, and heat addition is 10 kilowatt, and gamma is 1.4. So solving this question, we are having given data as gamma is equal to 1.4. Okay, and heat addition is 10 kilowatt. Compression ratio rp is 8. Okay, and mechanical efficiency neta mechanical is 80%. So we have to calculate the brake power. So solution of this question will be like this. As we know that efficiency of air standard Otto cycle is equal to 1 minus 1 upon rp to the power gamma minus 1, and it is also equal to indicated power upon heat addition. Okay, so this is the our equation first. Now now mechanical efficiency, the formula of mechanical efficiency is given as brake power upon indicated power. Okay, or indicated power will be equal to brake power upon mechanical efficiency, and this is our equation second. So from equation first and second we get 1 minus 1 upon r rp to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to indicated power is brake power upon mechanical efficiency. So this will be equal to brake power upon neta mechanical into heat addition. So from here 1 minus 1 upon rp is 8 की power gamma minus 1, gamma is 1.4 minus 1 upon, and brake power upon neta mechanical is 80%, means 0.8, and heat addition is 10 kilowatt. Okay, so when we will calculate, this value will become as 0.56 0.5647 is equal to brake power upon, this will be equal to 8. So from here brake power will be equal to 5.4, and this is in kilowatt. Okay, so we have calculated the value of brake power is 1.5 kilowatt, and according to get answer, the answer of this question was given as 4.4 to 4.6 kilowatt. Okay, this is the our answer. Now I have another question that was asked in GATE 2020 in set 1. The question is, keeping all other parameters identical, okay, the compression ratio CR of an air standard diesel cycle is increased from 15 to 20. Take ratio of specific heats is equal to 1.3. This is gamma. Gamma is 1.3. And cutoff ratio of the cycle RC is equal to 2. The difference between the new and old efficiency values in percentage. Okay, we have to calculate the difference between the new and old efficiency. Okay, so this is also question number 55, but it was asked in set 2. Okay, so as we know that efficiency of diesel cycle is equal to 1 minus 1 upon rp power gamma minus 1 into rho to the power gamma minus 1 upon gamma into rho minus 1. Here rp is compression ratio and gamma is cutoff ratio. Okay, so neta 1 will be equal to 1 minus rp. Rp is 15. We are talking about first engine. Okay, first engine, or you can say old engine. And gamma rho is cutoff ratio, which is 2. Gamma is 1.3 minus 1 upon 1.3 into 2 minus 1. Okay, when we will calculate the value of this whole fraction, the value of this whole fraction will be equal to 1.1248. Okay, so finally when we will calculate, this value will be equal to 0.5008. Okay, now calculating neta 2 and efficiency of second engine, or you can say new engine, will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon rp. Rp means cutoff ratio, which is 21 in new engine. Gamma minus 1 will be equal to, here gamma minus 1 will be equal to 0.3. Okay, so 0.3, gamma is 1.3 minus 1, 0.3. Okay, and this value will remain the same, 2 to the power 1.3 minus 1 upon 1.3 into 2 minus 1. Okay, and when we will calculate, this value will be equal to 0.5487. Okay, now the difference between the new and old efficiency means neta 2 minus neta 1. Neta 2 is new efficiency and neta 1 is old efficiency. So it will be equal to, neta 2 is 0.5487 minus of 0.5008, and this value will be equal to 4.79, and it will be in percentage. Okay, this will be in percentage. So our final answer will be equal to 4.8. Okay, 4.8%. Okay, this is the our answer, and according to get answer key, the answer of this question was given as 4.6 to 4.9%.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, comment and share the videos.